Ever wondered why your stomach growls even when it's not empty? That sound is called borborygmi, and it's completely normal. It happens when your stomach and intestines contract, pushing air and fluid through your digestive system. Those movements create the rumbling noise, even if there's food inside. What's surprising is that it can start before you're actually hungry. Just thinking about food or even smelling it can make your brain trigger those contractions early. So when your stomach growls, it's not just your stomach talking, your brain is already in on the trick, getting your body ready to eat.